Hello again, my name is Germán Oliva. I am the chef of the Mexico's embassy here in Japan. And in the last episode, I taught you how to make the meat for tacos al pastor. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make tortillas from scratch and two kinds of salsa to use with the tacos. The traditional tortillas are based in corn grain, and also we use this corn grain to make the traditional corn dough. We used to make tortillas in Mexico. This utensil that is a press. In Japan, we're gonna make the tortillas from scratch using a corn flour, water. It's important to have a plate and a plastic bag and a pan to cook the tortillas. I'm going to pour some water to start to make the corn dough, and I'm gonna check the texture with my fingers, okay? Good. If it's necessary, we're gonna add first half of the water, and then we add the rest. So, this is it. This is the texture of the corn dough that we're gonna use for tortillas. If you think it's a little bit dry, you can add more water, okay? Okay, so what is the second thing that we're gonna do when we already have the corn dough? We're going to separate it in small balls, okay? And we're gonna start to make the shape of tortillas. We need a plastic bag, and also we need a plate. We grab the bowl, we put it in the middle, and then we're gonna cover it with the plastic bag and the plate in the middle and press, okay? And then open the bag and we have the shape of tortilla, okay? After we have the tortilla, it's necessary to cook it at the moment. So I have my non-stick fry pan. I already have the heat on, and I'm going to put the tortilla in the middle, okay? This is very important, how I put the tortilla, and I'm going to wait around 14 or 15 seconds until it gets cooked from one side. Then I'm going to turn and also wait another 15 seconds or 14 seconds and once more. So it's going to be just 3 rounds. I'm going to push a little bit, and it's going to start to have air in the middle. If you can see, it's a little bit fluffy, so that is the sign that I have my tortilla ready, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how to make salsa roja. This salsa roja is very traditional in Mexico to eat it with tacos or use it with tacos, okay? So for this salsa, we're gonna need tomatoes, onion, garlic, this kind of chili pepper that it's very easy to find it here in Japan, and also coriander, okay? What I'm going to do first is to roast my tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them in halves, and then I'm going to put the tomatoes, okay? They have to be brown because I need them to be roasted. Also, I'm gonna roast the onion. Once they are roasted by one side, you have to turn them to the other side, okay? These ones, we're going to let them just 1 minute, and we're going to be careful to move the chili peppers because they are very, very spicy, very hot, and we don't want to start to cough, okay? Because of the heat of the pan. 1 minute. We took out the chilies. For this preparation, we're going to use this mixer. So we're going to add the chili already roasted, and we're gonna start to add the vegetables that we have here, okay? We don't need more liquid because tomato, it's going to help us to mix everything to grind. We're gonna add here the cilantro. We're gonna grind this around 1 minute. I'm going to serve some. We can do some coriander to decorate it. I'm going to try it with chips. It's good. Now we're going to cook salsa verde, another traditional salsa of Mexico, and we're gonna use for this preparation green tomatillo that you can find them in Japan in a can. Also coriander, salt, onion, green or fresh chili pepper, and garlic. In this case, we're going to roast the onion and garlic as well. And also, we're gonna add the green chili pepper, okay? We're going to set the green tomatillo in our mixer. We're going to use the fresh coriander. And it's going to give a very specific flavor to this salsa. Be careful with the chili because normally they are very spicy. So it depends about how hot or spicy you want your food. Okay, at this point we're going to take out the chili, and we are going to take out this part, okay? It's easy, we can use the hand. I'm gonna add 3, but as 2 or 1 or the 3 of them, okay? Good. Because they give to this salsa a specific taste, okay? So we have the fresh flavor from coriander, but also a smoky flavor of the roasted vegetables. I'm going to mix them around, mix this salsa around 30 or 45 seconds. At the middle of the preparation, I'm going to add the salt. And I'm going to continue. Actually, in Mexico, salsas are not smooth.
Thank you very much for coming to lunch at the Mexican Embassy. But now, let's eat about this. Beer is one of the favorite drinks of Japanese people. Mexico exports 6 types of beer, and around 4 million liters come by. In the northern part of Mexico, you usually make a taco with a wheat tortilla. But from the southern part of Mexico and all over the world, a taco is made with maize. Maize is a staple food of Mexico. It gives us energy, it gives us flavor. You usually take your salsa, if you prefer red or if you prefer green, it's your taste, and put it on your taco. Taco, in a way, is a tortilla made of illusion. You can have a taco of beef, you can have a taco of pork, or you can have a taco of anything that you would fancy. But this one is taco al pastor, one of our favorites. You have to try this. You have to try and do it in your kitchen.